Hey, Divine One, I'm so glad this found you today. I have a question for you, and I want you to take a big deep breath in as you think about your answer. What would happen if you stopped qualifying your happiness and stopped qualifying your love? Let me explain what that means. When you qualify your happiness, it means you say, of course I want to be happy, unless I don't have a good health, unless I don't have the amount of money I have, unless I don't have this partner. Right? We all have this deep desire to be happy, but then we set all of these conditions for it. And happiness isn't something that comes from outside of you. Neither is love. A lot of us like to say, I love this person unless they do this, this, or this. Love doesn't go away. Now we can set boundaries. We can choose whether or not to be in a relationship, but love is a frequency. It never goes away. When we qualify our happiness and when we qualify our love, we close our hearts to life. And when we close our hearts to life, we shut down our energy field. This is where you get into isolation, depression, low vibrational energy. But when you can say, I'm going to choose happiness, I'm going to choose joy. I'm going to choose love, regardless of what's going on outside of me, which I know it's not easy. That's why I have the job that I do, is to teach people these things. But if you can choose to make that commitment to yourself, I will be happy. I will be joyful. I will be the frequency of love no matter what's going on outside of me. You're going to change your whole world.